Real estate investing is one of the most enduring means of wealth generation. Here are 4 reasons real estate investing through Cornerstone might be a good fit for your well-diversified portfolio. Real estate is considered a hybrid asset, offering the potential benefits of both price appreciation and recurring income. It gives investors the best of both worlds. Real estate affords individuals the ability to diversify across a multitude of categories within the broader real estate market. It gives them a way to capture or mitigate exposure to select segments. Because real estate is a fairly illiquid investment, it's typically immune to much of the volatility that other categories experience. The value is more representative of the underlying fundamentals of the property rather than the natural ups and downs of the market. Finally, real estate offers investors a number of ways to offset the effects of inflation, regardless of monetary policy. This can be especially true in a low interest rate environment. So, is there a spot for real estate investing in your portfolio? As an investor, there is great opportunity in real estate, but there are also corresponding risks that should be understood, carefully considered, and mitigated to the extent possible through thoughtful implementation. For more about the potential opportunities and risks of real estate investing, please follow the link at the end of this video. You can also learn about Cornerstone's 30-year track record in the asset class by calling 425-646-7600.